तुम्ही एवढा छान प्रोग्राम केलेला. यातल्या बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आपल्याला माहीत असतात की हे असं आहे, ही सायकोलॉजी आहे, या गोष्टी आहेत, पण आपण ते कुठे कमी पडतो हे आज मला जास्त याच्यामध्ये समजलं. थँक्यू फॉर दॅट.
I'm really first thanks to Fusion Excel company as well as managing director. That company only introduced our great sir, father, and sir Bala sir. Everybody made this opportunity. Today my life is a newest day. Whatever guidance according to I will do achievement in my life and fulfill my dreams. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.
Remember, I'm from Bangalore. I thank Doctor and Uncle both for inviting me for Pune to see your people here. And it's a good opportunity what I got to cross my state and enter another state to meet you all. I'm really happy and lucky to meet you here in Pune. First point. Okay. Now coming to the business point of view, Doctor and Bernie, what I liked in Doctor as uncle, what I liked in both them of the thing is, I have seen many MLM companies, to be honest with you, and I promised Uncle and Bernie that this will be my last MLM company in my life. And why I am telling you this is, earlier to this, I did many MLM companies where I was a successful guy, but my downlines lost because it is investment plan. You know what is going to happen normally at the end of the day. Okay. I met these people. I liked the very important quality among these people was they were supporting the downline of some other upline, not their own team, but also the other team, which I liked. That team spirit should be there, should be continued for Fusion Excel, which I like the most. That's the thing I'm with these people, and assure another couple of days I'll be PD, not tell myself. I'll see all the people who has joined along with me will be a PD, and I want to see all of them achieve PD in this particular session. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. Thanks to Fusion Excel for giving me this opportunity to attend this beautiful seminar, and thank you very much to Mr. Barili and Mr. Bala. They have given a fantastic presentation, which has changed my total mindset up, and definitely I'll be working out very hard to achieve my goals. I have given 3 goals. Definitely I'm going to achieve that. And regarding the product part, it has helped me a lot. Really, I'm very much thankful to the Fusion Excel chairman. Thank you very much.
That's great.
Good evening.
I think today was one of the most important days in my life because I was knowing many things about me, but I was not knowing what is the barrier and how exactly to overcome it. And I hope I commit to myself from today onwards that whatever I see, whatever my dreams were, and they are, I see to it that they are getting turned into reality. I commit to myself today, and I'm sure that I will be a multi-millionaire in the next 2 to 3 years. I'm sure about it.
That's good. Jai Ho.
नमस्ते. मी 66 वर्षाचा यंग माणूस आहे आणि मी या पेंडंटवर लेह लडाखला 31 मेला जाणार आहे. फक्त याच्या जोरावर फक्त.
Jai Ho.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good. It's very nice. Basically, I'm into network marketing for last more than 10 to 12 years. But the thing is, there are certain things. I was also very successful in other MLMs also. But the thing is, in between, something happened, and the entire downline, as you know already, that there is sometimes a problem at the MLM manufacturing end also, and because of that, the entire downline was not there. And then I restarted from the scratch when I entered Fusion Excel. But I'm very proud to say that ultimately a product is very, very important in any network marketing company. So here, all the things, that is product, people behind the company, and their motive, all these things are, I thought that they are the best. That's why, I decided that I will not be working with any local company. I'll be working with, because I got myself hurt so much from taking the experience in this particular thing. That's why I decided that I'll be working with only international proved companies. And now, after 5 years, I can proudly say that, and after selling 30 lakh pendants, I certainly feel that this particular industry is the one which I was looking for. And now, this is the thing which is going to fulfill my dreams. My dream is not small. I would like to have an airplane of my own.
Wow. Jai Ho.
Hopefully every soul is awakened. So it's a morning. Whenever your soul is awakened and when you are awakened, it is always good morning. Not only it is an introduction to business, but it's an introduction and initiation to your own self and for the nobler cause. Business, everybody does. Everybody has got a belly, but Indian culture has not only gone for bhoga, it has never promoted only bhoga, but it believes in tyaga and also in the sense of gratitude. Early morning when we wake up, we just pay homage to the sun rays. Because if you you have to pay for the electricity if any units goes on, but you have got abundance of light. But have you ever cared to thank you? Never. The moment you sip a glass of water, have you ever expressed your gratitude towards that element? I don't think so. If you walk over the ground for every square feet in Bombay or it is 4,000 or something like, but have you ever thanked that spirit, thank that Almighty for having given you so much space? And if for every light or every element, every stage and everything, all these 5 minutes, have you ever cared to express your sense of gratitude? If not, then you have not prayed at all. The moment you get up, the moment you touch your feet, say thank you. And that is Indian culture. That is what Mr. Bala, you have introduced us not only to business, but for the nobler cause. And that's why, once again, from the bottom of our heart and from every corner of our room and room, we thank you because you have initiated us in a, I can just sum up in a way, that presume not God to scan, the proper study of mankind is man. Thank you.
Great.